How are you all today morning? Good morning. Today is 3rd March 2023. My name is TSV Raghavan and I live in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. I am a published author with Amazon Kindle and paperback. This is my spiritual vlog on YouTube. Haribol TRSV Nectar NECTAR Nectar. Please subscribe to this vlog and press the bell icon so that I may keep reminding you of my other videos. I write on spiritualism, fiction, and assorted subjects. In this vlog, in my previous videos, we have been discussing about the knowledge and information that we have gleaned through the study of spiritual books, scriptures, contemplation on the material universe, and spiritual meditation on the spiritual universe. This particular video in this vlog is no exception to that rule. It is only a continuation of what we have been doing before. For the past few videos, we have been discussing about how to construct our own body as a shrine for the localized Paramatma within. In that process, we have been discussing about the Kundalini serpent and how it slithers up the spinal cord of a human living entity and crosses 7 chakras. We have already crossed the first, second, and third chakras. Before proceeding further, let me remind you that this living entity gets the energy special to every chakra for himself or herself for keeps for further use when the Kundalini serpent passes through that chakra. That means that if the Kundalini went to the Mooladhara chakra, it takes the energy special to Mooladhara as a deposit or energy which it deposits like a reservoir in itself or in the psyche of the human living entity. After that, when it goes to Swadhisthana chakra, it takes energies of Swadhisthana chakra and now it has two chakras, that is Mooladhara chakra and Swadhisthana chakra and their energies thereof. This goes on and on. Hence, now that we have crossed Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, and Manipuraka chakra, hence the human living entity will have the energies of these three chakras in a deposit as a reservoir in himself or herself. When the Kundalini serpent rests in one chakra and then it is activated to proceed further, then it goes along with the energies of this chakra and the previous chakras to the other chakra. Here, the serpent has completed its sojourn in the Manipuraka chakra and has been activated by mantra yoga to proceed further towards the fourth chakra, which is known as Anahata chakra. Before proceeding further, let me remind you that the vibrations from etheric senses, astral mind of feelings and emotions, and causal intelligence hit the brain of the gross body of a human living entity. When the Kundalini serpent is going through the Mooladhara and Swadhisthana chakra, it takes mostly the vibrations from the etheric senses through the brain or the mass of nerves and cells in the gross body. Similarly, when it reaches Manipuraka chakra, this particular Kundalini serpent or the human living entity listens only to the etheric senses plus the astral mind of feelings and emotions. Here it is almost 50-50 in both cases. That is 50% etheric and 50% astral emotions and feelings. But however, in the fourth chakra of Anahata, the body or the human living entity listens to his or her astral mind of feelings and emotions alone. This is because here this human living entity leaves senses for good or mostly senses and now relies only on the mind of feelings and emotions. The Anahata chakra represents ambience, beauty, love for nature, creativity, and other such beautiful and rhythmic sounds and images. That is, the person relies on beauty all around. As a person who is constructing a shrine for the localized Paramatma and who has already completed the foundation, the scaffolding, and the main structure, plus he or she has already got the required funds to maintain this structure. He or she continues towards the ambience and beauty and the interior decoration of the shrine because it is a nature that Anahata Chakra represents or falls in love with. Hence, this place will be very green, fertile, and sacred or something which is divine. Further, in the interior decoration of the shrine, there will be beauty, ambience, creativity, etc., along with refinement and excellence of taste. So, this shrine has its foundations, its main creation, its funds, and its beauty so that one may get attracted towards the shrine. Here, because the shrine is the human body itself, hence, in this case, those who are pious and devotional in nature will normally get attracted towards this person who has built such a beautiful shrine for himself or herself and for the localized Paramatma within. This we should remember, and we should know that the main thing about this particular shrine, as far as the physical aspect is concerned, is over here. From now on, the mental, the cerebral, and the devotional aspects will begin in our next videos. We shall discuss about these items in my next video. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this particular subject. As I said before, I am a published author with Amazon Kindle and paperback, and I write on spiritualism, fiction, and assorted subjects. Spiritualism happens to be my favorite subject. Please give me your own opinions, ideas, and thoughts on this particular video so that we may blend everything together for the sake of the society. Till we meet in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.